This week, the Dubai Duty Free Irish Open heads to Lahinch, one of the greatest and most historic golf courses in the world. You'll see a lot more of this course from us when Season 4 of Tourist Sauce comes out this fall, but we figured a quick primer on the golf course would encourage viewers to tune into television coverage this week. And you really should. Here's why. The course was laid out by Dr. Alistair McKenzie in 1926. It's loaded with charm and quirk and will feature several blind shots that we're not accustomed to seeing professionals hit. The most famous of these blind shots are the 4th and 5th holes, known as the Klondike and the Dell. The 4th, the Klondike, plays as a par 5 for members and guests, but will be a par 4 for the professionals. With surfers behind you, players will tee off into a narrow fairway. The approach is to be played over this massive dune in the middle of the fairway. The 5th hole, the Dell, is a completely blind par 3, again playing over a massive dune. Players are asked to aim over the white stone atop the dune and hope they get the distance right. The 6th hole, doglegging to the left and heading back out to the water, is another standout hole, as is the 7th, the 8th, the 9th, and I think you're starting to get the picture. Paul McGinley is hosting this year, and the field includes Tommy Fleetwood, John Rahm, Eddie Pepperell, Shane Lowry, Martin Keimer, Lee Westwood, and many others. We can't wait to see one of the world's best golf courses on display.